Welcome to another video. In this video, we will be installing Windows 11 using an ISO and a USB stick. First things first, get Rufus. Click the link, scroll down, get the portable version, choose your USB drive, then choose the ISO. Image option is standard Windows installation, GPT, UEFI, volume label, file system I'll leave it at FAT32. Hit start. Now this will format your USB stick. You will lose everything from the USB stick, so keep that in mind. Click OK. As you can see, I am already running Windows 11 on this laptop. Let me quickly show you a couple of themes that it comes with. That's a nice light one. The one I was running before is a little bit dark. This one is kind of dark as well. I like the accent colors it has. Nice and neat looking settings. Everything is just laid out quite nice. Now that this is completed, we will use the USB stick on a laptop, and we will pretty much try to boot the laptop using the USB stick with Windows 11 on it.